5 fascinating facts of robin. 1. Stunning plumage. Explore the vibrant red breast and captivating colors of the robin, a true symbol of beauty and nature. 2. Melodious songs. Listen to the enchanting melodies that robins sing, filling the air with their sweet and distinctive tunes. 3. Nesting habits. Witness the intricate nest-building techniques of robins as they create cozy homes for their young. 4. Migratory wonders. Follow the incredible journeys of robins as they navigate long distances during their seasonal migrations. 5. Playful behaviors. Observe the playful antics of robins, from their energetic hopping to their amusing interactions with other birds and creatures.